guys, Becca here. So I'm going to be cleaning my brushes. I've heard a lot about this Zote cleaning brick or block of soap for brushes. It's supposed to be really good. I use the Cinema Secrets. I hate using soaps. For one, it requires a lot of water. Two, it requires a lot of time. This does not. It's a quick drying formula, so you just wet your brush with the formula and then you're done. I've already cleaned my main brush. Okay, I need to find the brush I just cleaned, but this is an eye brush and I use it all the time to blend or apply transition colors. So I just give it a little dip, let it soak. I'm just going to and I'm going to repeat the process until it becomes clear. Now, yeah, this is a towel that I really don't mind getting foundation and makeup on. See, now it's clear. So it's clean and it's already dry. I could use it if I wanted to. This is the one I just cleaned. Look at that. So I don't have to sit here and let my brushes air dry upside down. Here's one that I use a lot. I just added the brush cleaner. And I'm just going to dip it in there again until nothing's there. Now I'm going to do sponges. Get it nice and damp. And I just wiped it off on a towel and oops. All clean.